Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Verkammer Law Office Legal Podcast, the NJ Laws Tube, looking at recent cases and criminal statutes in our courts. And in this edition, we look at the criminal eluding statute. And the criminal eluding statute is found at 2C:29-2b. If someone is charged at the end of the trial, the judge has to read what's called jury charges. And the judge will read the following. Let's see. The indictment charges the defendant with committing the crime of eluding an officer. The statute on which this charge is based reads as follows. Quote, any person, while operating a motor vehicle on any street or highway in this state, who knowingly flees or attempts to elude any police or law enforcement officer after having received any signal from such officers to bring the vehicle to a full stop, commits the crime of eluding. In order to convict the defendant of eluding, the state must prove beyond a reasonable doubt each and every one of the following 6 elements. 1. That the defendant was operating a motor vehicle on a street or highway of this state. 2. That there was a police or law enforcement officer. 3. That the police signaled to bring the vehicle to a full stop. 4. That the defendant knew that the officer had signaled him to bring the vehicle to a full stop. 5. That the person knew that this was a police or law enforcement officer. And 6. The defendant knowingly fled or attempted to elude the officer. So the state and the prosecutor must prove beyond a reasonable doubt to the jurors each and every one of those 6 elements. Let's say the judge also is required to instruct the jurors that mere failure to stop does not constitute flight. In order for the jurors to find the defendant fled or attempted to elude the police, the state must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defendant knew that they were being pursued by police officers but did not stop. And the court cites the State versus Mendez, 345 N.J.S.A 498, Appellate Division 2001. For other information on the eluding statute, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com, or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. For other information, contact the Office of Kenneth Verkammer, 732-572-0500. Thank you.